Welcome to English Quiz Channel. Total questions 20. You have 10 seconds for each question. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Let's get started.
She has breakfast every morning. They go to the park every weekend. The cat sleeps quietly under the bed. We should finish our homework before dinner. He goes to the gym twice a week. She was reading the book when the phone rang. I am going to the party tonight. They worked very hard on the project. The flowers bloom in the garden. He has already finished his homework. She cleans her room every weekend. The children will play the new game tomorrow. We went to the movies last night. He was sleeping when I called him. She visits her friend every weekend. They have already eaten their lunch. I have read this book before. The baby is learning to walk. We are planning to visit the museum next week. He left his keys in the car yesterday.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this mixed English grammar quiz and learned something new today. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quizzes and learning content.